paying the travel tax, if you guys will be paying cash, it's 1,620. Pero may additional fee siya guys kapag credit card. Ako kasi nagbayad ng credit card, 25 pesos. So 1,645 yung binayaran ko. So that's it for the travel tax. And then I'll show you around guys yung mga airport processes pa later. But for the travel tax, 1,620 if cash, if card, 1,645. Before, na-try ko yun sa kasama together with the ticket. 50 pesos naman, 1,670. So 50 pesos yung additional fee. So it's up to you guys. Ako credit card ginamit ko today. Pero pwede namang cash kasi wala talaga akong cash at nagpahatid lang ako sa car today. And then bala ko mag-withdraw sa Taiwan na ng NT. So that's it. I'll show you around guys.